How to edit or delete Cronjob via cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click the Cronjobs. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Current cronjobs are listed here. There is an Edit option in front of the cronjob we want to edit. Click Edit. Scroll down. You can change the time and frequency of a cronjob. For example, let's change it from once a day to once an hour. After making the required changes, click the Edit Line button. That's it. We have successfully edited the cronjob. Let's see how to delete a cronjob. Go and click the Delete button. Click Delete again. That's it. The cronjob has been successfully deleted. Now you know how to edit or delete a cronjob. Thank you for watching.